Assalamu alaikum dear fellows, how are you? In this video, in last video, we just downloaded our WAMP server. In this video, we are going to learn how to install WAMP server with DLL files. These some of DLL files that are very important for our system that support the WAMP server. If Let's start to install this. Oops, sorry. I already have been installed these files, all of files in our system, but I again install for you to learn how to install. If you already have installed, then repair option will be open. Then click next and install. All of these files are very important. I provide you these files. Now go to the WAMP server and install it. Click yes, okay, and yes, accept and next your path. If you want any other browser and any other drive, then select here. Otherwise, just next and install. It's old version. I am going to delete. It takes some time. Just wait. It's just asked what type of explorer you want to use, Internet Explorer or any other. If you want to use any other, then click yes and go to the program files, and then I prefer Chrome. You want, then prefer as you want, then Chrome, click. It's just ask you can use notepad.exe or any other. If you want, then click OK, yes, and choose here as you want. About 30 seconds. Just it's install. Click next and finish. After finishing, we check its icon. on desktop and click yes. Red icon shown, it goes to the orange and then goes to the green. If they go green, then click it's mean it's running correctly. Now it's going to green orange, and after that take some times. It's running correctly, but not is gone to green. Maybe some of issues, and username we adjust root and password empty. Click go, and it goes to the our databases and इस database panel. ठीक है, these are the database, but we check why it's not working. Why it's not supposed to. We just restart all services and check. It goes to the green icon. This means it's installed successfully and working properly. Hope you understand it. See you in the next lecture. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel. See you in next lecture inshallah, and create our index page. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.